Hello, we're back and we're starting another video. Thursday today. I just got to this embroidery place. I'm getting some new hats and I'm about to go in there and go over some designs, pick out some colors and do stuff like that. So if there's not a lot of people in there, I'll bring you with and maybe show you some, but if not, I'll just recap it after. So yeah, welcome to another video on my channel.
And do you want the puffy EP on this one?
Yeah. Okay. So the only ones that will be different, the upside down will be the black.
Okay. And then, do you want any of the autos?
Yeah. The black and khaki.
Get those.
Really?
I was like, I have to come back and get hashtags.
They're so cute.
Like,
but these are super cute.
all of the pastels. Like,
Yeah.
I get so excited when people
So
love
springy.
the pastels. Yes.
Okay. I guess that's it for now. That's a good start.
Yes.
We'll start with that.
And you have a good, like, mix.
Home from the design shop, I got a bunch of hats on order. I was so excited. It was so cool to like actually be able to see the product. I feel like it helped me like know what I wanted better. And I went in there thinking I was just gonna get like half a dozen this, half a dozen that, and then decide from there. But just being able to actually like physically touch them and see like how tall the cap is, like what color thread I would put on what, it was super helpful. So anyways, I went rogue and ordered like 5 different colors and I just went crazy, but it's gonna be good. It's fun. I love getting new hats. I really don't do it that often just because like it is quite the investment and some people just don't even wear them, which I think is so rude. But I only give them to like select people that I know will wear them. I'm just making some lunch and then I'm gonna go up to my office and I have a couple of graphic designs I'm gonna push out today before the weekend. I have some of them started, I just need to put the finishing touches. So we'll do that and just gonna have a chill day. Hello, little cutie. I don't really have any help here to show y'all some behind the scenes, but here's what we got going. See if I can get to the mirror.
It's mascara at the back of the first flight and it's 6 lengths back to let me know when you're ready.
I'm currently just putting some things together, packing for the gold buckle Futurity, trying to decide what lenses I want and making sure all my batteries are charged. etc. This is the absolute OG. Anytime I shoot, like, this goes with me. Sale pictures, sale videos, horse shows, sales, literally anything. The Canon 300-2.8 is my lens. You will never see me without it, period. Right now I have the R6 paired with it. Wow, my camera is really dirty. I think I have some cleaning cloths somewhere. I'm gonna go get some cleaner and I'll come right back. When you have a lens as big as I do, a monopod is absolutely necessary for stability. And then last thing to pack is my laptop stand. It helps it from overheating and it's just easier. I set this up and then I have a keyboard that goes under it, and it's just handy. It's handy to have. And then what's this? Oh, some stallion flyers. The man. I need to take these and put them on display there, so. One little pit stop on the way to the horse show. I have a sale horse to take pictures of really quick, so that's what we're doing. These boys hate sale pictures. Good morning. Ready for a day one. It's about 40 degrees outside, which I did not pack for. Luckily, I have a long sleeve shirt and a sweatshirt, and I'll probably bum a coat off somebody. So let's go have ourselves a day. Chaos. It's chaos. Say hi to the vlog.
I don't vlog. I was out there doing the, whatever that is. Were y'all making TikToks or something?
Yeah.
Somebody did. I did the, what's that deal? The little, like the bulldogger does.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're trooper, man.
Good morning. I think you can hear it in my voice. I'm pretty tired this morning. I, to my own fault, stayed up way too late last night editing and just piddling around on stuff from the horse show, coming up with ideas for a graphic. So I'm tired. I was gonna sleep in this morning, but my body was up at 5. So I'm on my way to get a coffee right now before the show, and hopefully that brings me back to life.
Here comes the...
We actually got done intending to go to dinner tonight, so treating ourselves to sushi in Oklahoma. I have done the worst job vlogging at this futurity, but we have just been so busy. We are starting day, oh my gosh, what day is it? Day 3. Limited breakaway, 4 and under healing, 6 and under heading. So 3 divisions today, long day ahead. Allergies are going crazy, but it's honestly been so fun. The media room has been insane. It's been so chaotic, so many ideas just bouncing around, so many creative people, and I'm just blessed to work in this environment. So that's what I'm telling myself as I'm tired this morning, but also excited for another day, just to get to work with these great people, and it's just so fun. So doing what we love, gotta be thankful for it. And I'm gonna try to do better from this point on, of showing more of the show, more of the editing, and then maybe talk to you guys a little bit more. I don't know. It's a long ways up there. I just dumped my whole wallet over. Man, that's not what I wanted to start today.
You ready?
I was quizzing him last night. I was like, so what horse are you picking? Whichever one works the best.
I felt like I was doing that.
First short round of the day.
Gary Stallion, also Purdue 2, blinded by a pistol, and Kate Price, 3,210.
Press that, hang on. I'll come back. Oh my goodness.
Turn it up.
Okay, you ready?
What we do at the end of the day.
Look at this.
Watch everything we did today.
Booyah! Yeah, Will.
Yes.
Sit.
My favorite's when the rake hits the
when you rake.
Clocking out at 9 o'clock sharp. Time to go eat. Last day, best day. Let's see what everybody's doing. Make the most of it when it's raining outside and we can't get to where we're supposed to be.
Don't put that in there. Kenzie, tell them where
I
you got
did.
it.
We needed a mirror for a prop, and they were about to order one on DoorDash.
For $8.
And then like
She
$20
chose
for
stealing
Express.
versus
So I said,
$8.
oh, hold on. There's one in the women's restroom. I'll just go grab it.
It goes
So we
back.
need to
It goes
order
back.
one?
We're gonna
It
put
goes
it back.
back. We're not stealing. We're borrowing.
We're gonna put it back.
How y'all doing?
Your favorite part of the week, go.
The whole week.
Video of Des.
Yes, video of Dex.
Highlight was the video of Des.
Yeah, 100%.
Shout out to Will. That was
Shout out to
me.
everybody. It was
That
everybody's
was
idea.
Your favorite part of the week.
The media team. I think that everybody worked together really well.
Lane, what was your favorite part of the week?
Media team, best team in the world.
Hello friends, I'm just driving home from the horse show right now. Happy Sunday, happy Mother's Day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just an hour away from my house. The sky is looking really dark up ahead. There's some storms in the area, but I think it's gonna miss my house, hopefully. So maybe I might just be on the end of it, but I'm hoping to get home before the hail and the wind hits. So I'm gonna get back to driving safely, but if you don't already, go follow Gold Buckle Futurities. We have so much more content to show you guys. This was so much fun. I'm so grateful to be able to work with these people and just to bring the visions that we had to life. It truly, I think I'm gonna remember this week for my entire career. Like, it was a highlight. It really was. It was so fun. I got to work with new people I'd never met before. Shout out to the Riggs sisters. They're from Arizona. They're beautiful. They are so fun, so pure, and just so good at what they do. So creative. Just, I can't say enough good things about them. Will, Stal, Lane, Graydon, Chad, everybody. I just love you guys so much. And this sky is really dark. But yeah, I'm gonna close this one out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.